In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn profile to indicate that you are a student. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you'll want to start by logging into your LinkedIn account. So go ahead and open your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you reach the site, simply enter your login credentials to access your account. Next, let's access your profile. This is quite straightforward. Look for your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the navigation bar. Once you find it, click on it and you'll be directed to your profile page where all your information is displayed. Now that you're on your profile, we'll move on to edit your introduction. At the very top of your profile, you should see the Intro section. Here, you'll notice an Edit Intro button, which is typically represented by a pencil icon. Click on that to open up the editing options. It's time to update your headline, which is a key part of your profile. In the editing window that appears, locate the headline field. This is where you can change the to accurately reflect your current status as a student. For example, you might write, Computer Science Student at XYZ University, or Aspiring Marketing Professional. Tailoring your headline not only communicates your student status, but also gives potential connections insight into your field of study or career aspirations. Additionally, consider adding any specific programs or extracurricular activities that you're involved in. This can help highlight your unique skills and interests. A well-rounded headline can make you more appealing to recruiters and professionals in your desired industry, so take a moment to think it through. Finally, we need to save your changes. Once you've updated your headline and are satisfied with how it looks, scroll to the bottom of the editing window. There you should see the Save button. Click on that, and your new student status will be updated on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn profile to reflect your status as a student. This positive change can open up new networking opportunities and make it easier for you to connect with others in your field. Thank you for following along. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your LinkedIn profile and your professional journey. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile current is an important step in building your online presence, especially as you advance through your education and into the professional world.